The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for C Limited with the ticker symbol SE. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I haven't done a update for C Limited in a very long time, so let's go over what has happened in the past several months. So basically there was this major downtrend channel play because C Limited was extremely overvalued and just extremely overextended. So finally saw a nice crash down, came back to the starting point. That's normally what you expect to see. So you can see this downtrend right over here. This was the downtrend in play, and then we had a break of this downtrend, and then a few legs down to a new low, which is textbook pattern. And you can see that after the 2 legs down, we reached this measure move target at the 46 before seeing a little bounce higher. So basically what we did was basically drop, and then we're kind of just curling over. So basically the bottom, I'm not sure if this is the bottom, but we are definitely closer to the bottom than we have been in this entire downtrend. Let me go and zoom in on the closer price action, and you can see that right now prices are struggling to break that $62 level, but we've been bumping up against it for 3-4 times already. So something's gonna give, and it's probably gonna be this level because we cannot come back down to the $53 level. So is it guaranteed we break out to the upside? No, but it is more likely. You can see that if we do that, a measure move target will take us to the $76 level, and we could fill in this little gap right over here. So if we don't break out to the top side, then we're gonna fall back down to the lower side of this range at the $53 level. So I can't really give a very long-term target for this because we're just kind of flat and not really doing much. But in the short term, probably the next couple of weeks to a month, looks like we're gonna break out either way, maybe to the $76 target if the market is bullish, or we're gonna fall back down to this $53 level, and maybe even the $42 level if the market is bearish. So doubling the range to the bottom side will take us back to that $42-$44 level. If we break out to the top side, it's very close to this measure move, right around the low to mid 70s. So basically C Limited looks like it's wanting to break out to the upside, but nothing is guaranteed. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. I'm going to clear the drawings. So here we have the weekly chart for C Limited, and you can see that we came back right to the starting point, which is what you expect after a bubble. So C Limited was definitely overvalued. It came right back to the starting point of this entire up move, and now we are at a better point for seeking a reversal than any time in the downtrend, because prices were slowly coming back to the starting point, and we finally reached it. So now we're seeing a little bounce. And also another thing to point out is that prices came to the EMA right over here and got rejected, but right now we came to the EMA again, but we're kind of hanging around at this price level. So hanging around means that we could probably break it. So whenever we come up to a level and we just find a rejection really quick, then it's pretty strong. But if we're just hanging around the level, then it tells me that we're gonna probably see a breakout. So there's a good chance we see a breakout to the upside, maybe finally get above this EMA, which we have not seen pretty much since the last time price was above the EMA was back here in November of 2021. So it's only been a year, but I think a nice breakout to the upside is due. So basically C Limited, we had a downtrend, 2 legs down to a new low, seeing a little buyer step in, but not that much. We're still below the EMA, so it's not really an uptrend right now. But the good thing is that in the short term, it does look like we're trying to continue higher and break out to the low to mid 70s, maybe even reach the $80 level if we're really bullish. So that's where this move would be right here. So we can see the down move to price it down to the $42-$43 level. Now if we come back up to the starting point of this move, it will be at the low 80s, just like how we came back to the starting point of this entire up move. So it works both ways. So I think traders are kind of shy of going long right now, but once they see the momentum take place, I think there's a lot of room to the upside. So we'll have to wait and see with C Limited. Basically, we are definitely at a closer point in time to the bottom than any other time in the past. So this is looking pretty good. I can't be 100% sure if this is the bottom or not, because we could go back down to retest it. But as right now in the short term, it does look like prices want to clear that $65 level and possibly reach that measure move target at the mid 70s. So that's all I have for C Limited. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.